We've got a pattern that we're studying here, Scott. Every Thursday, we seem to have another round of severe weather. What are we looking ahead to this week?
Same story for us. Thursday into Friday, Doug and Nicole, we have another storm system moving through. It's the same one that is impacting California right now. You can see that very impressive counterclockwise spin. You know, if it was in the tropics, you'd be thinking maybe this was a hurricane making its way onshore. Just a powerful area of low pressure dropping a large amount of rain, and in the higher elevations, as we talked about, the snow there and just causing some damaging winds. Well, on the larger view in the upper level pattern, you can't see this trough there that's digging in. That's going to shift its way to the east, and by Thursday into Friday, moving its way over the southern plains and increase our chance of some showers and storms. So the first alert satellite and radar active on the west coast today. We did see some of that light rain around, some of the cloud cover sticking around. Into tomorrow, more of the same, at least when you started on out. Our precip chance for tomorrow around 20%. 82 degrees, though, in the forecast tomorrow. Much warmer than most of North Texas today. West sides did make it into the 80s, but because of the cloud cover in some areas, we will look cooler. But Thursday and into Friday, we have an alert. Just alerting you to the fact on Thursday, the potential of some storms developing out to the west at a 50-50 shot. On Friday, alert mainly for the morning hours. We're going to be dealing with the potential of some storms moving through as this cold front moves in. So another cold front moving in, potential for strong to severe storms. Damaging winds, large hail, and isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out Thursday evening into early Friday morning. So I want to point out, as you take a look at the severe storm timing, Thursday, it's conditional. The dry line is going to be in play. Out to the west, we're going to be seeing those storms try to get going. If this dry line's further to the east, we might see some of those work their way into the west sides of North Texas. But overnight, we do see the cold front move through, and then going into the early morning hours, continue to shift its way to the east. So parents right now plan early for a way to get the kids at the bus stops. There might be some storms around for early Friday morning. Find a different way to get them to school if you need to make those plans. And already the Storm Prediction Center has a slight risk of severe storms that's at level 2 out of 5. For parts of North Texas, all the counties indicated in yellow for those severe parameters that I just mentioned. So the first alert futurecast shows here we are on Thursday morning, some spotty showers around into the afternoon hours. That mix of sun and clouds greeting you. Right now, this forecast model relatively quiet out to the west, but I want to show you Friday morning this complex making its way from west to east right during the morning commute. Possibly a lot of heavy rain on the roadways for you, and also some damaging wind gusts. Right now, though, our temperature is sitting at 66 degrees. Some light rain showing up there at DFW. So the reason I point that out is these southerly winds at 17 holding on. It's going to be a warm evening tonight. Temperatures have actually warmed as we've gone through the evening hours. 64 degrees for us tonight. 80 Thursday, Friday 75, and then going into the weekend, we have temperatures in the 70s Saturday and Sunday.